I'm back. How about an unpackaging of some 2x48 belts that I bought on Amazon? Whoop. Surprise after surprise. Shout out to Stonebridge Promotional. All right. A 4-pack of 80 grit. No, excuse me. A 4-pack of one. It's a mixed pack. 120, 40, 60, and 80. I bet all three are the same. There we go. This is the now I forgot what he called it. Zirconia? Is that right? Supposed to be. Doesn't say. Anyway, short video, short and sweet. Oh, if they're terrible, I'll let you know. Like, subscribe, please. Help me out. Y'all have a good evening.